Naz from Everyday Vegan, and welcome to our new recipe course, 7-Day Dinners. People often tell me that they don't really know where to start when it comes to making organic, plant-based, healthy foods at home. Sometimes they think it might be tasteless or boring, or they run out of time because they have such busy schedules. I'm here to show you how quick, simple, and delicious it can be for you to feed yourself and your entire family. We use one pot, meaning that you have less dishes. You can make your recipes in 30 minutes or less and in 7 steps or less. So if you want to make healthy, delicious, and mouth-watering meals at home that you and your family will enjoy, then subscribe on the link below and join me in the kitchen for 7-Day Dinners.